We're in the basement of the Birdcage Theater. And this is where they say the longest poker game in history went on. It continued on for 8 years straight. And what the sign says down here, it cost $1,000 to enter and could take as long as 3 or 4 days before you would be called in to enter the game. So yeah, pretty interesting. The table and chairs here is original from 1881, including the bar and many of the bottles sitting on the bar, as well as the mirror behind the bar, and this table and chairs, and that mirror too, all original from 1881. Back over here you had some more bordello rooms. These were the expensive ones. The ones upstairs were $25 a night. These were $40 a night. And it's not the best example of one. There's a better one over here. This is original bordello room from 1881. Pictures on the wall. And original stove in the corner.